The raised fishbone stitch is excellent for making slightly plump leaves. Start from the tip of the leaf and make a straight stitch to the middle of the spine. Come out from the left side in the middle. Go diagonally to the top right and pass the needle through the fabric to come out from the left. Go diagonally to the right to take the needle in through the fabric. Come out below the previous stitch on the left and continue the process. Each time you will place these stitches below the earlier ones. As you progress, the stitches will overlap, which is what we need. This is what creates the raised effect. Also, it leaves a beautiful spine through the middle of the leaf. Please let me know if you liked this video. Also, check out our bookstore with ebooks for learners at different levels. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you for watching.